Welcome back to another of my video series. We're still working on the this triangle. For this video, I will be focusing on drawing the true shape for this plan. So first we draw the front, then we drew the orthographic projection first, then the development, which we have here. And from the front, we generated our true shape for the plan, or our complete plan, not true shape, our complete plan. Now, our next step is to draw the true shape of this cut when viewed from here. So it's important to note that for true shape, the angle that you view must be perpendicular to the cut. So here, this is the cut. This must be perpendicular, or these must be at right angle for you to get a true picture of how this thing actually shaped. So for that, I will be first changing to my construction layer. We'll be using this construction layer. The next step is to draw some perpendicular lines from here. Perpendicular lines to this line through all these points. In this case, it is only 1, 2, 3 lines that we'll need. But for some figures with more sides, you would need more than 3 lines. So we could draw this perpendicular line one of several ways. I could click line, and well, I covered this in a video before, line, then hold on shift, then right click on perpendicular. I then click the line that I want it to be perpendicular to, this line. Then I decide how far up I want my first line to be. I want it to be here, out of those lines. So click there, escape. Now I can copy this line to the different locations that I want. All right. So for this, going to, all right, let me take off this line with thickness. Whoa, might not be any good. Now I'm going to copy this line to these points right here, center, and top. CO for copy, enter. Specify the base point we want here to be our base point. We then move to this point, one at the center and one here. Escape. I can then delete this one as I no longer need that one. All right, so I have those 3 lines. The next step is to draw a line, here, a perpendicular line, draw a line here. So I'm going to draw a line from here to here. Enter. Now, our next step is to transfer the distance from here to here. Transfer this distance, that distance here and there. For that, I'll be using circle. So I click here, and I will be moving this circle up to here, up to this point to get that. I'm going to extend this up a little bit. Escape. And I'm also going to extend this line up a little bit too. When doing this part, always ensure that orthogonal mode is deactivated. So we have this point here. The next step is to draw, is transfer this distance here. So what I'm doing, you could use arc, but as I said, I don't like to use arc. Arc, arc with some computer. If your computer is not fast, if it has a lag, it will give you a problem. Yeah. And it is sometimes it tends to hack up. So for this, I click there and I move this up to that center line up to here. Escape. And now I'm going to join these points here to there, to there, to there to get that. All right, so it's a different way of transferring your measurements or your distance from one location to the next. So my next step is to go to my outline, use Polyline for this, click here at this point, there, there, and there, escape. And of course, again, that's a true shape, that's a true shape. Again, we could hatch this or we could let that stay. So we could do some labeling on this if you want. You know, this point would have been here, would have been A. So we could do that, we label this CO, enter. And here, one there, another point here, 3, 4, 3, 4, escape, then click 2 times. So here would have been B, 1, 2, wait a bit, B, oh, where's the other one? Escape. All right, let's copy this. B, click outside. 1, 2, 3. Wait a bit. Type C. That's D. This is D. Click outside, and you need to copy. You need to. Oh, my A move from there to here. You don't want to go, eh? All right. All right. Escape. Click 2 times. 1, 2. Wait a bit. Change it to C. Click outside and escape. So this is pretty much the figure right here, the true shape of this. We could also generate the end elevation, which I will show you in our next video, or end elevation or true end elevation for this.